Hey guys, here's my 1983 FB Mazda RX-7 with FC3S subframe suspension all the way around. Got some Enkei RPF1s, 17 by 9.5 inch wide, wrapped in some 275 by 40 series R17 Toyo Proxys R888s. Made some fender flares over there to make everything fit, along with some side skirts, some fender vents. Got the FC3S front subframe in there, along with the 4 piston calipers, 10.9 inch rotors, rack and pinion steering. I made the fiberglass fenders, fiberglass cowl, fiberglass hood with heat extractor. Got the fiberglass front end, flush headlights, front splitter. Got that fiberglass front end, ducting all the air into the intercooler. Made this spoiler to tide me over until I can get a real wing in there. Made a new rear wrap bumper cover. Made that diffuser. You see under there I've got the FC3S independent rear suspension, along with a 3-inch turbo back exhaust system. There we got the strut towers from the FC3S suspension. 16-gallon fuel cell. Got a 15-pound Odyssey PC680 battery mounted on the floor. A little bit of fire protection. So you got the 4-point rollover protection installed there. Got some door cards. Interior is basically stripped. Got a 3.3-pound fiberglass dash. Of course, a Momo racing seat for me. Some Takata harnesses. Ended up going with a Nissan SR20DET out of a Sylvia. Got it mounted as low and as far back as possible, trying to keep the weight distribution that the rotary had. Also trying to get it behind the strut towers to keep it a front mid-rear engine layout like the Mazda intended. Car still handles great. But so far it's been a really fun track car, and can't wait to do some major modifications over the winter.